Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Codex in Windsurf. To install and open Windsurf, first download and install the application. Once installed, open the editor and sign in with your account. Windsurf is an AI-powered IDE similar to VS Code, and it comes with a built-in coding assistance. There are two common ways Codex works in Windsurf. The first way is through the built-in Cascade AI. To use it, open the right side panel called Cascade. This is the main AI assistant, and Codex models run behind the scenes. Through this panel, you can ask for code, fix bugs, and even generate full projects. The second way is Codex via configuration, which is for advanced users who want direct control. To set this up, go to your system configuration folder and open the file called .codex/config.toml. In this file, add the model settings by typing model equals GPT-5. Then add your API key as an environment variable. Windsurf and Codex share the same configuration system. After installing and opening Windsurf, sign up or log in. Once you log in, you will see the main editor dashboard. When you open Windsurf for the first time, you need to complete the setup. You can choose to start fresh or import your settings from VS Code. Then select your preferred theme and key bindings and click Open Windsurf. Your IDE is now ready to use. To open Codex, remember that it works through Cascade. Look at the right side panel and click on Cascade. This is your AI assistant powered by Codex models. To start using Codex, you can chat with it directly. Open the Cascade panel and type your prompt. For example, create a login system in Python or fix an error in my code. Then press enter. Codex will read your project and generate or fix the code accordingly. You can also use auto code completion. Start typing your code and pause for a moment. Then press step to accept the suggestion. Codex will automatically generate full functions for you. Another method is using commands to generate code. Write a command, for example, create a calculator app. Codex will read the command and generate the full code for your project. You can also edit existing code, highlight the code you want to change, and ask Codex to refactor it, explain it, or add doc strings. Codex provides quick options to improve your code efficiently. If you want to generate a full project, click New Project AI and describe your idea. For instance, build an e-commerce website. Codex will create all the necessary files, write the code, and structure the project for you. For advanced setup, if you want direct control over Codex, go back to configuration file.codex/config.toml. Add the model by typing model equals GPT-5 and include your API key. Windsurf and Codex share the same configuration system, which makes your workflow smooth and fully integrated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.